Happy New Year, first of all.
Same to you.
Thanks again for chiming in. There's been quite a bit of traffic flowing into our showroom, asking, what is induction technology, because it is quite new, although it's not new in Europe, but it is quite new in the US. So I just want to get your help on answering some of these questions and do a quick demo here on how the product works and what is induction. And I have, let's see, about a cup of water in there. I'm going to turn that on and watch it cook. So I'm going to turn to boost mode. And I'll do the same here, Matt, with another pot, so they go in the same time. And while I do that,
oh, you're timing it. That's good. Yep.
I'm going to put a timer on that, okay, and see how that works. So my understanding of induction is that there's a magnetic pop that's vibrating. Oh, it's cooking already. Look at that.
That's pretty quick. Like 20 seconds.
Just put this on boost on this one. Yeah, that was 25 seconds. It started cooking already in the kettle.
Exactly. Yeah, I mean, the product has some great advantages. You know, one thing is just the efficiency, just right what you saw right there, the actual speed of how you can bring product to boil, literally in seconds, less than a minute to take a pot of water up to boiling. So, and that's phenomenally fast compared even to gas. The other thing is the accuracy. You can do something a very delicate simmer, all the way to obviously to a very high boil, and so you have fantastic control with this product, much better than say get a gas and certainly electric.
Yeah, and then, you can see the water here is starting to boil now. It's a minute 30, but I started late, about a minute.
Yeah, exactly. You came right after that. And then the other thing is this: the safety. I mean, I don't know if you got a dollar bill there just to slip.
Oh yeah.
As a demonstration thing on the surface.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that $20 bill underneath. Okay.
and then the other thing is just the cleanability, and it's a completely glass surface, and it's perfectly smooth. There's, as you can see with the controls, they're all touch and slide. Cleaning up is as simple as a sponge or a rag, and it just wipes right off. It's
absolutely. It's just a smooth piece of glass. So so it's boiling right now. I know this appliance here is unique because there's a 2-in-1 function, which is the ventilation. So I'm going to turn that on too.
Normal, and this is great for areas where you've got a fantastic view, and you don't want to disrupt the kitchen with a large range hood. This is built right into it.
I just have the hood now turned on to speed number 2.
Yeah.
And it's very quiet because we're having this normal conversation over our headphones.
And it's amazingly efficient, being that the ventilation you can see is right in the center. So all 4 burners, the 2 left and the 2 right, are virtually touching that at all times, and it draws the air in very effectively, much better than say like a traditional downdraft where you have it's in the back of the hood of the cooktop, and it would rise up and down in the rear. This is going to ventilate from all 4 burners quite effectively.
Yeah, because you do have the 4 cooktops here. So like I have the kettle turned on now. If you can see it's getting drawn right in the middle. So very efficient. And even that pot in the back there is getting drawn in. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but.
Yeah, it's tough to see, but it's remarkably effective. And again, it's the positioning of it and the strength of it. It's 400 CFM. And that's really all you need when you're talking induction. And with gas, you really need a lot more power because you're generating so much heat.
Right.
And it's higher up. Where this one with induction, you're not generating nearly as much heat. It's just the pots. And so you can get away with a lot less CFM or pulling power of the air to do the same effective ventilation.